In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to distribute columns evenly in Google Sheets. This tutorial serves as a handy guide for anyone looking to streamline their spreadsheet layout by resizing columns effectively. Let's dive right in. First, open Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to Google Drive and selecting a Google Sheets document, or simply create a new one. Once you're in your sheet, your first task is to select any cell by clicking on it. Doing this ensures that your sheet is active and ready for the next steps. Next, let's focus on the columns you want to adjust. For this example, we're going to highlight columns A through F. Simply place your cursor above column A, click, and drag it across to column F. This will highlight all the columns in between, and we're now set to begin resizing. There are two basic methods to adjust the width of Google Sheets columns. The first is using a manual mouse technique. Position your mouse over the boundary line that separates any two columns in the header section. When the cursor changes to a double-headed arrow, click and drag the divider to adjust column width to your preference. This method gives you hands-on control as you drag the boundary to the desired width. The second method involves a more precise approach. Position your cursor over the column heading you wish to resize and right-click. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Resize Columns A, F. Doing so will bring up a dialog box where you can input the exact pixel size you wish the columns to be. This method is particularly useful when you need uniformity across multiple columns. For instance, typing in 100 will make all selected columns 100 pixels wide. After entering your desired pixel value, click OK to apply the changes. Finally, we'll learn a nifty trick to apply column formatting easily across your entire sheet. Click on column A to select it, and then click on the Paint Format icon in the toolbar. This function copies the formatting from your selected column, allowing you to quickly paste it over onto other columns. Once you've clicked the Paint Format icon, simply click on any other column you want to adjust using this format. It's a great time saver for uniform appearance throughout your sheet. And that's it. You now know how to effectively distribute and resize columns in Google Sheets with ease. Whether you prefer the precision of typing a pixel size or the tactile feedback of dragging with your mouse, these methods are sure to make your workflow smoother. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheet editing.